Hello everybody, this is Ryan Engelstad. I've been wanting to make this video for a while, and now that Vortex is coming back, seems like a great time to do it. The new Vortex, of course, is going to be blue. Hopefully the discs, I think, are also going to have some more color to them, because why did they make them green in the first place, to start? Well, it doesn't make it easier for them to get lost. So, now that they're coming back, of course, we're going to want to try to find cheap ammo if we're going to do a loadout. So I bought 5 different kinds off Amazon and Light Take to see how we can do for price and for size. The Light Take ones come in a package, in a nice 10 pack. The discs are very uniform and nice. They still have there seems to be a common problem with, or difference, not really a problem, with these off-brand ones, that they are just a little bit taller on the plastic part versus a Nerf one, which is smooth. But we'll talk about that in a second. So the Light Take ones and F-Strike ones, I like the way these are packaged. I know it's kind of a pain to unpack them, but at least it's easy for them to count, and they ship, and they come more solid for shipping, and they get to you in better condition. And when I bought them, they were $2.30 for 10, so 23 cents a piece, plus some shipping, I'm sure. Yeah. And the pink ones over here from I don't even know how to pronounce that. Tanagon? These came in just a loose bag of 50. And again, it's the same. They were just a little bit taller. There's no text on the top. They were smooth on the top. I don't know if that'll make a difference in the long run or not. But the foam was good. Plastic's good. Those were okay. Those were also 23 cents a piece. These white ones are the ones I would not recommend, from Doric. They were $5.99 plus $2.99 shipping, but they were very much damaged. I mean, you can't even just push that flat because the glue in there has, made a bubble, so it won't lay flat, and there's glue spill all over them. All that's going to affect the flight and how these discs perform. I mean, as much as I like the color, of course, white would be easy to find, but I mean, they just got junk all over them. And yeah, so you're not going to get consistent shots with those, but they were 17 cents a piece. Next one was these green ones from Light Net C. It was $3.99, $3.99 shipping, so 16 cents each. And these were just like the Light Take, even has the same, design with Win on it. The same little hop up in the middle. Very good foam. Foam's fine. Glue's fine. They came in a loose 50 bag, like that. And the ones I like the best because they're blue and white and easy to find. And they came in the 10 in a sleeve pack. Were from Miles Moon. 24 cents a piece, because it was $14.90 for 60, and if you do the math, that's 24 cents a piece. So, and these had a HS on top. So, but the foam was good, the plastic's good, so they do all fire just fine out of the existing guys. Oh, didn't have prime it. So, that's fine, and you can get 10 discs in a 10 cylinder. Of course, they're going to be a little bit taller, so it does compress that spring a little bit more, but you can fit 10 in a 10, and you can fit 20 in a 20. So, glad to see Vortex coming back. Maybe that means we'll get some more foam arrows, maybe some Titan missiles, maybe some altimeter missiles. Maybe Nerf will take a look backwards and support some of these blasters that are still around and are still working. I mean, you can't knock a blaster that's been around this long and still works just fine. All the old stuff that's still around and still works. Let's get the ammo working and keep it back on the battlefield. So, just an informational video. If you guys want more tests on the ammo or questions, you can leave it in below and I'll try to get an answer for you. Yeah. Our war this weekend, we're going to do some Vortex stuff, so we'll see if we get some of these on the battleground. Alright guys, thanks for watching.